people, and welcome back to my channel today. Kidwaya don't come out, come reveal a stalker where they always dey for a DM, they beg am to be her sugar daddy. And also, Ilebaye don't come out, come shade mercilessly over Mercy post today. So, Kidwaya, im come out, come dey complain, say people dey always enter a DM, they tell am make e be their sugar daddy, and he not see am as something wey dey funny. According to him, he no dey pleased with that type of attitude. So this girl don dey stalk am since the year 2020. She has always been in his DM since how many years now? Calculate 2020, year 2020, and today this year wey we dey na 2024. That's how many years ago. The girl still dey for a DM, dey disturb her. So he come out, come screenshot the thing, come say the girl na dey ask her say, how is Erica? That was 2020. You know, answer her. She come still come again, cause say, kid, I love you so much. I'm 15 years old. Can you be my play dad? This one wey be say the person send am today na 2024. She come say, hey, na so the thing pain kid. When come out, come say, what the F does this even mean? Like, jam, you all need to chill. Kid go need to manage, because na him dey come out, dey stone people money, dey stone dollars, dey tell us say he has so much money, dey fly private jet all the time. So I no see a reason why be say woman dey come toast am now in the verse. This boy, he like attention well, and he don't see person wey be say dey give her attention, he don't dey complain. Well, e good for am. So onto Ilebaye matter. As we all know, Ilebaye, since she win the Big Brother Naija All-Star season, a lot of people dey displeased about her win. They are not happy with it, but everybody don't move past that issue. Ilebaye no gree move past the issue. There's nothing wrong with Ilebaye interacting with her fans, but anytime we say Ilebaye, make una just dey check am. Anytime she's interacting with her fans, she dey always shade other housemates and people wey no even dey send her, wey no dey find her trouble. So she come out, her fan come ask her a question, say, when do you post? People will think you are broke. I don't even understand this kind of write-up. So this now for her Snapchat too. Now she dey have the conversation. So she can't put laughing my own out. When it comes to being broke, don't add Ilebaye's name to that sickle girl. Laugh out loud. Brokenness isn't my portion, and I thank God for using Big Brother to have my own money. Because I don't post doesn't mean I don't have. If I dey post, una for don't buy or hey. I'm saving you guys from unnecessary high BP. I never even touched that 120M yet. Laughing my own out. You think it's by posting designers that make you rich? Come put laughing emoji. This particular shade, the reason why I seen her for Mercy na because Mercy was the only BB Naija celebrity that posted a Hermes bag today for her Snapchat. If you check this write up, you go see say na for Snapchat na Ilebaye talk, and go to Mercy Snapchat, you go see say Mercy post a new designer's bag, Hermes. So I not see a reason why Ilebaye go dey the shade Mercy. That girl has never come for Ilebaye since the Ilebaye win that money. Mercy not talk anything. With all the insult where we insult that Mercy girl, she not insult Ilebaye. She not even come for her. All the insult where be say fans insult her, mock her, say she not win the money, she not come for Ilebaye. So I not see a reason why her posting a Hermes bag go make Ilebaye the true shade. Ilebaye, if you want to talk to your fans, talk to your fans. Leave Mercy out of it. So she can't still come. The person, another of her fan can say, praise God, the star is out today. Baye, why do you keep doing this? I hope you won't run back inside after Tuesday. The fan they try to talk say Ilebaye know they always come online to come post. From what we know, Ilebaye even talk about inside the house say she's not a social media person. Say she not the like post for IG and Twitter. Mainly her post now for Snapchat and now once in a while. So Ilebaye come reply, come say, I'm trying my best. I'm serious. You will too serious and full of hey. That's why I hate posting and letting you all in my life. I've always been a chilling and traveling, no posting person, but I'm doing this cause of my Baye tribe. I love my quiet win life, helps gain more. Ilebaye, this is your English. Live more or competition, zero drama and unnecessary fake showing like some of your faves. Come put laughing emoji. Who are the sweat? Who are the read Ilebaye write up? That girl no go kill me. Just be say from Ilebaye own perspective, that girl is rich. She's not poor at all. Person wey be say win 120 million, that person na multi-millionaire. That person no be just millionaire, na multi-millionaire. They dey call that type of person. And I believe her when she say she never touch her 120 million. Her father na politician before, so I believe to say politicians they get a lot of money. So not be today say she never spend the money. It might actually be true say Ilebaye never really touch that 120 million. But the thing wey I no go support na the unnecessary shade of other housemates. Make we see some reactions under this her post where we say she come find trouble. So one person the first person here come say, why must she post? Social media is not real life. No time to be dealing with unnecessary social media pressure. You all should leave this girl alone, please. The truth be say nobody hold Ilebaye o. She's just interacting with her fans. Her fans they ask her another thing, she they talk another thing. You can talk to your fans without calling other housemates into it just because you want shade person. Necessary to me. So another person can say she said what she said and that's on period. Another one say it just dawned on me that the two cat generator Kidwaya bought for his restaurant cost him 120 million. It doesn't matter. Kidwaya papa na wire. So you know expect you know if you compare Kidwaya and the 120 million wey be say Ilebaye win. The papa get money scatter, so not be today. So another person can say if you get them, you for post am. You posted the designer bag on your snap too one time, no be fight. Do you and let others do them. Exactly. If you have your own designer's bag, post. If Mercilessly post her own, I no see a reason why she posting go mean to say she dey live fake life. I not support that type of statement. On that one comes the last person here could say, oh, Ilebaye has burner account everywhere. She has blocked me and I am not even following the way. Well, I don't know how Ilebaye even notice say Mercilessly post designer bag today, because me, the reason why I notice and because I just go all those Big Brother Naija people page to go know wetin they go on with them. So for Ilebaye to fit notice say Mercilessly post designer bag today, can't drop this statement today, they very strange to me. Baye, I like you, but you dey do too much. I just think say you just need to mind the type of things so be say you dey talk. You don't win the money, be say you don't win, and nobody can take it away from you. But going for people wey be say no good for you, not be a smart move. Now take care, una bye.